We're about to get arrested, folks. Oh my gosh. Good morning, folks. So this is day two. Day two in Maui. We are getting ready for the road to Hana, which is like a really long road.
Yep.
There's a bunch of cool like stops and like waterfalls and like super good like banana bread and all kinds of crazy stuff in there or out there. But it's gonna be super nice. Lots of cool beaches and like little mini hikes and waterfalls. I think I already said waterfalls, but anyway, we will see you in the car. How you like that transition?
Very good.
All right, so we're going to a bakery.
Sure.
Okay, so we're right there in the blue. That's Maui. And where are we going?
We're gonna go to Kahului.
Kahului. Bro, look at this.
Where's the straw?
The straws are over there next to us. Got a cinnamon roll, breakfast sandwich. Breakfast sandwich, buddy. Yes, sir. I think it might be the best breakfast sandwich I've ever had.
And you will bring trouble on the camp of Israel. Everything made from silk, gold, bronze, or onions.
Yeah, maybe. Nice, bro. We've been waiting for days to try to get these tickets. You have to get special tickets or like a permission thingamajiggy.
Reservation.
A reservation. She got that. A reservation to get up to the volcano. So on Saturday in a couple days, we're gonna get up super early and watch the sunrise on top of a stinking volcano, my guy. All right, let's get it, baby. There's a really cute girl in here. Look. There's a cute girl in here. Look. Look in there. Do you see her?
No.
There you are.
All I see is my chin.
Oh my gosh. I tried.
When do you make it? Chicken.
Come on, chicken.
Why does the chicken cross the road?
To get to the beach.
To get to the beach.
Dude, that's so pretty. So we're on our way down this one road, but I don't think that's gonna work. It's a little nuts. No way. No wonder that sign said Extreme Road, or whatever the heck it said.
Okay, Johnny is backing up.
Ooh.
Oh gosh.
Lusciousness.
Yeah, you're like, where's all the greenery?
Here's the greenery, folks. Hey, buddy. All right. Oh, look at that bad boy.
Well, look at that. Is that bamboo?
I think so. That's the biggest bamboo I've ever seen in my life.
Upper Trail. Smells like flowers here. I like it.
Yeah. Kind of reminds me of like the zoo.
The zoo?
Honeysuckles in Indiana.
I could see honeysuckles, but not the zoo.
Not the zoo, but some of
Zoo's
those places they recreate these exhibits, and they're using all these authentic plant-looking things.
It's not bad.
Oh, it's freshwater. It's not salty at all. Not that I tasted it.
I think we make the cut. What do you think?
Sure.
Did you know that I could take some of these leaves home and propagate them so I can have some when I get home?
No, you can't.
Watch me.
We're about to get arrested, folks.
This one's so pretty.
Holy smokes, that sucker's so vibrant.
It's vibrant.
The thing's like a lime.
Do you hear that?
Jurassic Park in here, bro.
More like Tarzan.
Tarzan up in here?
Bro. Is that the waterfall I hear? I think we're getting close. Come on.
Bruh, oh, that's actually very nice, bro. Let me wash that dirt off your leg. Let me drop that dirt off your leg. Oh my. There goes my ankle. There goes my ankle. Whew. Huh?
You gotta bring it over.
It's gonna break, dude. Well, how you like them apples?
It was fun.
Fun. They said
Pick on your face.
that's what I was pulling off of you. What is that? Like a flat leech? Oh. O'Reilly's Auto Parts.
Wow! In the Amazon rainforest. We're going to the Wacomi Bridge Trail, I think.
That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Nuts, bro. Should I just grab this guy's hand? I'm kidding. Broski.
Oh. Here, avocado. Come here. Did you just look at it? Just take a look at this.
That makes me want to say, holy moly.
Did you look at that? Just look at it. Oh, wait.
That's insane, bro. And then look at the ocean in the background.
Oh, it's very pretty.
Holy smokes.
Wow.
Oh, I see.
Wow.
Dude, that's so Tarzan-esque.
Wow.
Meets beach.
I want to take those vines home. Do you see any mangoes?
Dragon flower, bro? Whoa!
How big? Goodness. Look at that. Would you just look at it yet? I don't really know how we got here because I was following the maps and this is not the path that we should have been on. Where is he? Made it look like a lot bigger in the photo. I thought it was gonna be like.
What the crap?
That was a bee.
There's a bee dancing on my car. Bro, what is that?
He just wants to say aloha.
Wrong button. Are insane. Alright, next up we're going to be getting some banana bread. Apparently the best banana bread in the world, I've heard. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. Now we can see we've had fresh coconut water, bro.
It was good.
That was delish. So a little change of plans. We decided to get barbecue. It smells amazing. You're about to see it in 3, 2, 1. Pretty good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh my.
Good.
Oh. Mmm. Oh. That's crazy. Got a little sweet tooth. Get a little shaved ice and a little milky shaky. Yes, sir.
This milkshake looks good. Do you want bananas?
Mm. Yeah? You care if I get that? Mmm.
I'll wait till you get yours.
If you want. No, you can wait. You can do it. It's fine. Let's see. Good?
It's good.
Bro, bussin' respectfully.
There in the beach.
What a good day at the beach. And Mr. Oh my gosh. Just got back from the road to Hana. Now we are on our way to get some food from a food truck. So let's see what we get.
Yeah. In Oklahoma, it's I think like 10, 11 right now.
Yeah.
So.
Scary.
Returning.
Oh, scary. Is that a monster?
Which way? That way?
Yeah. Heck yeah, bro. Oh, I smell some fishy stuff. That crispy calamari looks really good.
My guess is calamari.
Yeah.
Calamari. I guess I'm gonna say your
Fish and chips.
fish and chips.
Oh, bro. Oh my gosh.
And then catch of the day.
Nice.
Yum.
Try this fish here real quick. Mmm. Oh. Oh my. It's calamari, bro. That's a thick calamari. Whoa. That's insane.